What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Mojave 4S. Haven't had this out in a minute, and I just wanted to run it real quick, nothing special. Let's get into it. This thing is a pure beast. I'm running a CNHL 120C double tank. Definitely not doing no jumps or nothing like that. Just gonna mess around at this park. I don't even know where this park at is. I just seen it. Had my car with me. I'm gonna go ham real quick. A little small for my taste, you know, too many obstacles for me to hit, but it is what it is. See what I can get into up here. It's a little monster though. My one-handed driving helps me out with recording a lot. A little chilly. Ground still wet. A little wet here. I mean, this is good on road, but off road is where it truly. Look at that suspension. Look at that suspension work. Yeah, this thing a pure beast. Yo. Running my Mojave in 20. Yo, this is another side wheelie truck I had. I might try it out, give it a shot. It's too small for me to do here. Let's go across to see if I can pull it off. Because I'm on to hit the tree in here. Ouch! thing is a ripper. This thing is a little terror man. Oh, I'm gonna give that a shot. Hopefully I don't break nothing. This thing kicking up a lot of rocks though. Hit me all in my face. Oh, my side Willie. Side Willie Billy. Yo, this thing is a beast. This is my go-to RC car when I want to run with no worries. This is my number one. Peace. Take it easy around people's cars. Tire seen better days.
Yo, check this out.
Kind of wonky on me. Dang. Oh, what the f—
Oh, not good.
Acting a little weird right there. Yeah, my steering gave out on me for some odd reason. Gotta be careful to keep the cars around. So I don't like to really run when cars is around, especially when they start acting like this. Yo. This is one of my favorites, even though it's a 4S, but it's still punchy, got power. Ain't nothing you can say about a 4S Mojave. I can complain besides the body. Other than that, this thing is a pure beast. Off-road, on-road, don't even matter. It don't even matter. It don't even matter. Yeah, but I wanted to get this out here real quick. Do a nice little quick video on it. Don't have to be the latest and greatest. I'll be happy with this all day long. Yo. But as always, I hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.